Service employees are great. They're a good attribute to us for our service side and our rental. They're make-ready guys, so they make the fleet look nice for the rental customers. They basically fuel our trucks, right? They check fluid levels, tires. They do some tire work if needed, and they do the make-ready process for rental, which is wash the trucks, clean them inside, detail, sanitize, get them ready for rental. And then they also do minor DOT inspections. Like if there's a light or something, they bring it to our attention right away. And that's basically what they do on a day-to-day. They also do our porting. They bring the trucks in the shop for our technicians. They remove them from the shop for our technicians, and they clean up the technicians' bays. So that gives the technician more time to work on trucks, which is what they're here for. As long as they're willing to work, willing to show up on time, be here when we need them. Outdoors is going to be a must. That's basically all they pretty much need. We're willing to train them in every aspect of that.